Welcome to Untap. Untap helps organizations run, manage, and scale multiple programs, from challenges and awards to hiring, grants, and student initiatives, all in one structured and simple platform. Today, I'll take you on a brief demo to give you a glimpse of what you can achieve with Untap. Let's go. At a high level, everything in Untap is organized around workspaces and platforms. On the left here, you'll see your workspaces. Workspaces help keep initiatives clearly separated while still living under one system. You can organize them however makes sense for your organization, by department, region, goal, client, or any structure you prefer. Inside each workspace, you create platforms. A platform is essentially the home for your programs. For example, you might have one platform for innovation programs, another for employee engagement initiatives, and another one for recruitment, which acts more of like a career portal in that case. Platforms are designed to be reused over time, so you don't have to start from scratch every cycle. Once a platform is set up, this is where you start launching programs. Let's preview how it looks like for your audience. They visit the platform, explore the available opportunities, and apply to the ones that fit them best. Now back to the admin view. At the platform level, you start with a dashboard that gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening, including active programs, participants, submissions, and engagement, all in one view. The Programs tab shows you the initiatives you're running. When you create a program, the first thing you do is define its foundation. This includes the program name, description, objectives, and key information participants need to understand the opportunity. The content feeds directly into the public program landing page. One of the things teams really like here is the flexibility of the landing page. You're not locked into a rigid template. You can structure the page the way you want, highlight what matters most, add or remove sections, and shape the story of the program based on your audience. And if you need it, you can even opt for a fully custom design. Once the foundation is set under the About tab, every tab after that represents a round. Rounds reflect the real stages of the process. For example, you might want to start with an open submission round, then move into a shortlisting round, and finally a detailed evaluation round or an interview round. All of this happens within the same program with full continuity of data throughout. Under each round, you find its own settings, so you can control dates, time zones, and round-specific rules independently. Communication is also handled at that round level under the Messages tab. Here, you can customize message templates that can be automated at key points in the process. Each submission round has its own submission form. The form is built using a flexible drag-and-drop builder that supports custom fields, file and video uploads, and tailored questions. You can add logic, translations, and preview the form at any point. If you want to move faster, you can simply describe what you'd like to collect, and Untap AI will generate the form for you. You can then edit, refine, or remove anything you need. Similarly, you can generate evaluation forms with AI or create them manually. The evaluation builder lets you define scoring criteria, weights, and qualitative feedback to match how your team or judges evaluate submissions. You can also enable options like anonymous judging, public voting, or live judging in on-site events. As submissions start coming in, everything is managed from a centralized submissions inbox. This is where teams review, filter, tag, and manage volume at scale without spreadsheets or external tools. For programs with higher volume, Untap also offers AI-powered scoring and screening. AI scoring is configured based on the criteria you define. You control how it's used, whether for scoring, summarization, or both. The results appear alongside submissions to help teams quickly identify strong candidates and prioritize reviews. As programs progress, Untap keeps everything connected. You maintain visibility across rounds, decisions, and outcomes. Beyond programs, platforms can also include modules like surveys for quick data collection, learning courses for education-based programs, and bookings for things like mentorship sessions or interviews. This lets you build complete experiences around your initiatives, not just collect submissions. When you put it all together, you'll see that Untap gives you one super system to structure your initiatives, launch your programs, manage applications, evaluate effectively, communicate with participants, and scale without fragmentation or limits. Ready to untap your organization's potential? Start your free trial today.